So look, this disclaimer. He, this is for simple information. Might be I'm wrong, might be I'm right, but this is for knowledge. So not any trading advice or anything. So just take it as a pinch of salt and don't act on this information. Uh, okay, let's start now. If you in between, if anyone has a question, just stop me. So what I want is to not just you sit down and just listen, because when you have a confusion, if you ask me question, then it's good. So at least my aim is to you understand properly, right? So okay, basic boring stuff. Start from the beginning. So what's the trading? So trading, different people have a different motto, right? But for me, so in stock market, what we are talking about is trading is a process to exchange, like buy or sell ownership of financial asset, such as a stock or commodity or cryptocurrency in the financial market. So basically, हमको क्या करना है कि uh, we want to buy something which is cheaper, right? And then we wait for the time, so that asset will go up. That's how we make profit, right? So the buying is very important. कौन से टाइम पे आप क्या खरीद रहे हो? अगर बिटकॉइन 100,000 है राइट नाउ, और अगर अभी तुम बाय करोगे, then you need to think about it. Is it good time to buy it, right? So that's why we are doing this session. So at least your entry and exit, little bit better compared to आपको like you do it before. So so the primary goal is to make a money, okay, and find undervalue asset. And expectation is the value will rise in the future, and then we can sell with the higher price and earn some income or dividend or whatever you want to do it. So so there is a three type of trading we do. Day trading, so like have a plan within the day or two to buy and sell, or most ofly the 5 minute, 2 minute or 1 minute chart के अंदर होता है. So generally, you make a decision within the 5 minute, let's say 5 minute chart, and this is the chart. So you can see it, from here. This is trading view. So agar this is the day chart. So let me try to change it so you understand what I mean. This is different type of candle. We can do it later. But this one candle represent one day, right? And if you go here, if you change the time frame, so now you can see it, the one candle represent the one day. Like this is the you know Friday. Look at this one from the Friday. What happened? Big drop from here. So the day trader want to have this movement, and they're trading on the base of that candle. The 5 minutes. This is 5 minute candle. So generally you trade on this basically. So swing है, उसका भी time है कि swing short term or medium term trading अपना हो सकता है. Let's say 2 days to 15 दिन, one month or so. The so shorter time frame. So swing trade and long term. I think long term is like आप बिलीव कर रहे हो कि चलो मेरे बच्चे के लिए 20 साल तक पैसा जोड़ना है. So what should I buy it? So then like a long term, if you are doing trading long, if you want to do long term, then you need to look for day chart, okay? Day chart or week chart. So then कि ट्रेंड किधर है, ऊपर जाएगा नीचे जाएगा. You can't trade with the 5 minutes. Or basically today our focus is long term and swing trade, and most of it swing trade. So in between 2 days to 1 month, that's the whole idea we have. So another topic is it's all boring, but I think you understand because your ego will gonna destroy your what you call trading, and everyone here are knowledgeable. So they, when they win the first few trade, they have so much of overconfidence, like, oh, I'm the best of best. And you are best of best because your past, your education, your job, and everything, and that mentality goes into your mind like that. I'm the best, and you become so ignorant to listen someone advice, or and you feel like you are Superman, you know, and you started to do emotional trading. Yeah. So that lead to account will blow up, or within month or two or what, and then you started to realize, oh, I was wrong, because always you have a beginner luck. You one or two trade. So trading is not only one set of the trade. Like एक trade किया तो सो गया, चलो पैसा कमाए. Trading is all about अपना aim क्या होना चाहिए कि like if I do 10 trade, what's my winning percentage? So after 10 trade, whether I'm profitable or whether I'm not profitable, एक trade के अंदर पैसा lose किया, that's okay. All aim is to do 10 trade and make some money out of it. So that's called systematic trading, right? So this is the important topic we are now discussing, and I want you guys to understand properly because this is must. So as a retail trader, okay, so how you scan the like a, how you can find the stock, okay? So in stock market, स्कैनिंग मेथड टेक्निकल भी हो सकता है. सो टेक्निकल मेथड, आप यू नो आप अर्निंग को देखते हो, आप मार्केट कैपिटलाइज को देखते हो, आप डिविडेंड को देखते हो, आप टेक्निकल इंडिकेटर्स को देखते हो, आप सिस्टम को देखते हो कि अपॉर्चुनिटी कब मिलेगा. सो दैट्स द टेक्निकल साइड, right? The smart people always believe on the technical, and if you do technical, your success rate would be higher. But the other scanning method for us, including everyone here, almost I never seen any single person um, in our group, like maybe two, three, who do technical. So second scanning method is emotional scanning. That's what we do. We are the best of that. Emotional scanning क्या होता है भाई? you know Most common, the problem is the emotional scanning. Like a friend बोलेगा कि हाँ भाई यार ये बिटकॉइन तो जा रहा है ऊपर, just buy it. So upon information, we get that information from our friend and we act. Or Twitter from the Elon Musk, hey, Doge is going up, or Doge, or whatever the stuff he put it on. Or political event, like a tariff, like a Trump कुछ भी announce करेगा, market पूरा नीचे जाएगा, Trump ऐसा बोला है, Trump ऐसा बोला है, और ऐसा जा रहा है. So that's also one of the emotional scanning method. और दूसरा है FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. अगर कुछ भी ऊपर जा रहा है, so retailer always buy when something is going up. Then they always buy everything on the top. That's how the system works. If you can see this chart, this is the day chart, and for a let's say for a Bitcoin, yeah. So अगर देखो chart का भी there is so much to learn, but just to understand this thing, ये पहली बार 2021 पे $62,000 price था. So I can show you these things so if you can understand. Look at retailer. So the what happened is, the chart has a, like, I don't want to go too deep about chart, so you won't understand, but the basic you want to understand is this stage is accumulation. So बड़े आदमी लोग इधर छोटा प्राइस को बढ़ाना नहीं चाहते, लेकिन they are collecting money, sorry, stock. So after that, this is the stage, it's called markup. Markup means like a price को बढ़ाएगा, क्योंकि यही फर्स्ट स्टेज के ऊपर उन लोगों ने सब कुछ इकट्ठा कर लिया है, सब कुछ इकट्ठा कर लिया, और दिस सेकंड स्टेज इज अ फोमो, लाइक ए लाइक ऊपर बढ़ाएगा, क्योंकि इन लोगों ने तो देखो, सोच लो कि 10,000 के अंदर, 15,000 के अंदर लिया है, ऑलमोस्ट टू मच स्टॉक, and then they will increase the price. So स्टेज 3 के अंदर पहुंचते उसको बोलता है डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. सो बड़े आदमी है, उसके पास 20,000 बिटकॉइन है, कोई एक क्लिक पे तो बेच नहीं सकता, तो वो क्या करता है, तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बोलता है उसको. मार्केट के अंदर प्राइस को नीचे भी नहीं जाने देता, ऊपर भी नहीं जाने देता, उसको होल्ड करके रखता है जब तक उसका पोजीशन खत्म, सब कुछ सेल नहीं हो जाए. Yeah. So, and the fourth one is, like a markdown. So, and like a fifth one, again, same, you start with the number one. So, okay, guys, do you understand these things? If you have any question, just ask me.
So, Dharmraj, you said that they hold the big players, they hold the market, that it will not go up, it will not go down. So, how they
Yes.
hold up? Like, when how they're not selling or not buying and holding,
No, no,
just
they,
like not, and then they sell. The moment they start selling, the market should go down, right?
yes, that's, very good question. So देखो, अगर स्टेज 1 के अंदर, चार्ट के अंदर देखो, तो let me draw something so you can okay. So this is the, so
दीदी भाई, इस चार्ट के अंदर अगर आरएसआई और वॉल्यूम लाया जाए तो आई थिंक
yeah.
दैट विल मेक इट क्लियरर.
No, because a lot of people don't know about this thing. So, anyhow, those, the tools are different. It will, the good part is coming. So just learn the small thing, which, people, because people don't understand volume. And I mean, I don't see anyone is understand the volume in the group. But
Okay,
we will,
fine.
so
Go step
we
by
will
step.
go, yeah, we will go more advanced later on, because this is the basic to understand कि बड़े player क्या कर रहे हैं. Yeah. So anyhow, the question was कि बड़े player क्यों बेचेंगे. तो ये रेंज आप देख सकते हो. Just it's not a hard and fast, but 2,000 से लेके 16,000 तक आदमी खरीदता है. देखो, इधर 20,000 बिटकॉइन तुम खरीदा, तो तुम्हारा बाइंग प्राइस तो कितना होएगा, लेट्स से $10,000 पर बिटकॉइन. अभी तुम इधर प्राइस बढ़ाओगे, so still you buying higher price as a big player, but your average price would be like a 10,000 से 11,000 आ जाएगा, right? So when you reach to that stage, that's the time FOMO start. So बड़े लोग न्यूज आर्टिकल, स्पॉन्सर न्यूज आर्टिकल होएगा, एलन मस्क तुमको ट्वीट करेगा, न्यूज़पेपर पे आएगा, बड़े लोग म्यूचुअल फंड और जो भी वो रेटिंग अपग्रेड करते हैं, डाउनग्रेड करते हैं, they scam. They want to send you info so you can buy it. And this is where number 3, वही जगह हम लोग बाय करता है. क्योंकि कोई बोलेगा बिटकॉइन तो 2 लाख पे चला जाएगा, 4 लाख पे चला जाएगा, 5 लाख पे, बिकॉज दैट्स द इमोशनल स्कैनिंग वी डूइंग, राइट. द इंफॉर्मेशन कोई भी आपके सामने है, तो उसके ऊपर माइंड तो एक्ट करने वाला ही है, वेदर इट्स गुड वे और वेदर इट्स बैड वे. सो इन ट्रेडिंग के अंदर तुमको पता है कि साला बिटकॉइन 10 से 60,000 चला गया यार, सब लोग पैसा बना रहा है और मैं नहीं बना रहा है। और नहीं नहीं नहीं, दो चार दोस्त बोलेगे तेरे को बोला था यार पहले लेने का, तू नहीं लिया। तो यू फील लाइक यू मिसिंग द बस, यू वांट टू, एंड दिस इज हाउ स्टेज 3 form. And during this stage 3, the big player buy and sell it, but their all aim is to rid of their position in possibly in stage 3. या क्योंकि मार्केट ऊपर क्यों जा रहा है? क्योंकि कोई आदमी मार्केट को होल्ड कर रहा है। बड़े प्लेयर, छोटे प्लेयर, तुम एक बिटकॉइन लेने से तुमको बिटकॉइन थोड़ा $60,000 पे चला जाएगा। इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू डू इट। सो द बिग प्लेयर, दैट्स वेयर दे मैनिपुलेट मार्केट एट stage 3. After that player sold everything what he needed, look at the market, stage 4, how market is crashed from 60,000 to almost 29,000. Yeah. और अगर दूसरा वेव भी देखो तो almost this is also kind of, look, I just don't want to make the what you call the confusion for the people, but so this is also one of the technique. I don't want you to make a confusion. This is called double top. Okay? So this is distribution method where एक बार ऊपर जाएगा, बाद में उन लोगों को फिर से ऊपर चढ़ाएगा। तो like if you don't get enough customer here to buy it stage 3, then you will go to the again raise the price and trap the people. So this is kind of one new, like not new, but this is the technique where you trap the people. और वही a stage 2 double bottom पे तुम्हें double top पे सब लोग बेचता है। Now you understand, or any question?
So
I have one question.
basically you're saying that whenever the price goes like a rocket, it's by big player and then they hold it for some time. When it says okay, like Bitcoin is 105K or 7K, and it stays for a few days, then it means that they are holding it. So like
Yeah.
it also can happen that the price can go like more up, right? Or no?
No. क्योंकि
Because they are holding and they want to sell it, that's why they are holding.
Yeah. Because you see, we are idiots. Okay, retailer. The big player, they only have 10,000 में buy किया है.
They call us dumb money, right?
Yeah, dumb money or idiot or whatever, because that's what we are. Because only, ये सब propaganda क्यों होता है कि तुम जैसे आदमी आके इधर उसको खरीदे, क्योंकि कोई आदमी 10,000 में खरीदा है भाई और 60,000 हो गया है, और वो म्यूचुअल फंड वाला बड़ा फंड मैनेजर है। तुम जैसा उल्लू आदमी तो नहीं है कि यार 6 टाइम्स प्रॉफिट हो गया, तो भी तुम देख रहे हो कि यार 3 लाख पहुंच जाएगा या 5 लाख पहुंच जाएगा। दे only interested for this reason. They don't care about इधर से इधर ऊपर जाएगा। It's all about money, right? अगर 60,000 में भी कुछ चीज खरीदा तुम, और अगर तुमको श्योरिटी है कि वो 2 लाख पे जाएगा, you buy it, right? Because
Okay.
तुमको श्योरिटी है कि ऊपर जाने वाला है। But big player don't want to buy it. अगर इधर तुम buy किया 62,000, then there is a chance to make money is less. You remember the simple logic? Why you buy? To make money. तुम ऐसा नहीं खरीद रहे हो बिटकॉइन कि तुमको उसको 1 मिलियन पे पहुंचा देना है। So that's not
Right.
the thing. You get it? Whatever I understand.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. If you have a question, and this is the you see this reason. So that's the like accumulation or distribution. Both. Sometimes it looks similar. So you don't know whether they're buying or selling. There is a tool to find it out, everything. Or I don't want you to go in the deep, but just for or you're understanding now it's not a good time to buy. That's what you need to understand.
Okay.
It can go up. It tomorrow, oh Dharmesh bhai tum to bole the itna nahi ho sakta. But then I mean there is what's the risk? 60-70 se lakh pe pahunch gaya. So almost 30% people are making money. So I want you to put it in your mind to do not do the emotional scanning, right? अभी सब लोग information दे रहा है, Trump ये करेगा, Trump वो करेगा, Trump ये करेगा, whatever. But you ask the question, आज की तारीख में मैं बिटकॉइन से पैसा बना सकता है या नहीं बना सकता? And अगर तुम बना सकते हो, तो it's more risky. So ideally तुमको क्या चाहिए? So like it will go too deep. But देखो ये period पूरा consolidation or whatever you want to see it, ये कितना मार्च से लेके सितंबर तक 6 महीने तक कंसोलिडेशन हुआ और बाद में ऊपर गया. So you want to see something similar here, then it can go up. So now you understand what I mean?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Any other question?
I have
how
one
you
question.
predict कि वो consolidation है या वो distribution है?
उसको predict नहीं कर सकता. Like there is a tool I can show you, but look, right now you don't want to know, because in future if people have interest, we will go more deep about, and good part is coming, guys. Good part is coming. Just understand the basic. So
रमेश भाई, इसको चार्ट को ना कैसे समझ सकते हैं? चार्ट को समझ में नहीं आता है, तो इसके लिए क्या है?
So that's okay. So that's क्या आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है?
ये आपका जो चार्ट है, इसमें मतलब वो है ना, वेरिएबल x एंड y, उसको किस तरह से इससे समझते हैं? क्या है?
So x है वो टाइम है, okay? y है is the price है. Okay. So अगर the price decrease हो रहा है, with the time, then like most of you see is the y, कि price ऊपर जा रहे हैं या नीचे जा रहे हैं. You get it?
या तो मतलब वो जो जितने भी ना वो होते हैं ना, ग्राफ होते हैं स्टॉक मार्केट के, they are the same x y, or they are different variable?
There is so many variable you can choose. You generally it trading view है. So देखो अगर मेरे को percentage का करना है, so now this is the percentage, right? So okay, last 0 से कितना, अभी Bitcoin almost 100% up है. So the Y totally changed. Now it's don't normally it's not counting as the what you call the money. Now percentage कितना ऊपर गया, कितना नीचे गया, that's also so you get the basic stuff. So like so many things to learn about charting software, and like you can watch the YouTube video how to use the trading view or anything. There is so many chart. It's beauty. You will love it. See the different candles are producing different result. But I like everyone. If you want to be a good, use a Heikanasi, which reduce the noise. That
One
answer your question? Yeah.
One question. What does the candle length determines, right? So the spikes are like small, big, and then another small line is going up and down.
So देखो एक candle 4 चीज से बनता है. एक open,
Okay.
एक पूरा है. Let's see this candle we can concentrate. देखो अगर I don't know which one is what, but इधर से open हुआ. Okay. So open, close, sorry, high, low, open, close. Okay. So chart cheese, every candle, form with the four star. Open, high, close, low. That's, you understand?
Yeah. So that means that much the price varied on that on that particular day, right?
Yes.
Okay.
No. Actually, the solid color determines what is the difference between open price and close price.
Yeah. So
If it is
look,
red,
like
if it is a
no,
red,
don't-
it starts from top, like top horizontal, and the solid finishes at the lower horizontal. The lower horizontal is the close price because it's a red last one,
Yeah. So
and the
anyhow,
top, yeah.
yeah. So Deco, you can go to YouTube and check, how candle form. It's also one of the trading system. But look, basically, you need to understand this form with the high and low and close and open, whatever you want to say. So that's the candle side. आपको समझ में क्योंकि we can't cover everything, otherwise it will be bored and everyone will gonna sleep. So anyhow, so the funda अपने को समझ में आ गया कि two type of scanning, technical and emotional scanning. So I want you guys to stop doing emotional scanning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have one question on the phases you told, like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
आपने बताया कि जो phase 1 है, the
Hmm.
big players are accumulating the stocks or Bitcoin, whatever.
Yeah.
तो जब वो phase 1 में accumulate कर रहे हैं, तो उस time price बढ़ क्यों नहीं रहा? If I think like if somebody is buying, then it should increase, right? वो same ही क्यों है उस time पे?
Okay, so this is very smart. Okay, the very interesting point you told me. अगर डिटेल कभी तुमको किधर कोई कंपनी का मिला कि एक वॉरेन बफेट ने एक कंपनी में लिया, all right, I don't know in US they do, but in Australia they will send you the detailed stuff what they are doing, how they bought it. So generally उन लोगों को क्या बोलता है कि कमीशन उसको पर ट्रेड नहीं होता, उन लोगों को मंथ का होता है, राइट? सो दे आर पेइंग, दे डोंट केयर अबाउट कमीशन बिकॉज कमीशन उसको नहीं लगता. सो वो क्या करता है कि प्राइस को बढ़ने भी नहीं देता, कम भी होने नहीं देता. लेट्स से स्टॉक का प्राइस $100 है, राइट? सो उसको 105 तक ले जाएगा. अगर 105 के ऊपर आने लगा तो वो बेच देंगे. सो खुद का ही स्टॉक वो बेचेंगे और खुद ही बाय कर रहे हैं, ये सी. और आप कभी क्या होएगा, यार मैं तो 100 का लिया था, 105 गया और ये नीचे जा रहा है, और उसको थोड़ा सा भी नीचे गिरा दिया 90 को, नहीं यार ये तो नीचे जा रहा है, मेरे को बेचने दो. बट दे आर द सेम पीपल हु बाइंग सेलिंग इन द स्मॉल पार्ट. You understand?
Yeah, got it. Thanks. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's
Yep.
how they're using very nasty technique to manipulate. And there is so many things. Stop will gonna come like a stop hunt, and so many things. They use a technique to just manipulate you to sell it, so they can have a big chunk of the things. All right, so we okay with this stage? Like we can go in the deep in the future if people are interested, but general scenario, consolidation, accumulation, markup means ऊपर जा रहा है, distribution means selling हो रहा है और नीचे जा रहा है, तो उसको mark down. So this is the fourth stage of any asset.
Main bhai, question छोटा सा. So markup
Mhm.
is same as what we call breakout, and markdown is breakdown, or it's
Yeah, you can say that. Like
different
देखो ये
terminology.
chart. Yeah, different. Like देखो A point पे Bitcoin 73,000 पे breakout हुआ. So you can say like that, So generally, if you want to buy it, you buy the breakout point. There is a technique, you can debate it, but generally but we will go on the deep how the good part is coming. All right, so don't confuse. The total aim is today to make it so simple for you, so you guys stop losing money at all. All right, so that's the whole aim. If things will work it out. So आपको ये चीज पता चल गया, right? Any questions before we go to the next stage?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So summary is, do not do the emotional trading. Emotional scanning. The next stage is, the one way to, beat the market is to develop the system and follow it, strictly follow it. आप लोग इधर 24 क्लाइंट है, उसके अंदर 24 दोस्त है, उसके अंदर who is the best trader? Everyone is the best trader who can make a decision, and they are uh, follow their plan. अगर मेरे पास इतना नॉलेज है, आई एम नॉट ए बेस्ट ट्रेडर इन दिस ग्रुप. कोई भी आदमी एक ग्रुप के अंदर एक प्लान है, उसको प्लान को फॉलो करता है, दैट पर्सन कैन बिकम बेस्ट trader or best, like whatever you want to say. So the success only you get when you have a plan, and you follow that plan on the technical scanning. So other small bits are coming. Another interesting subject is winning percentage. So रिटेल ट्रेडर के दिमाग में होता है कि यार मेरे को विनिंग परसेंटेज तो कम से कम 80-90% होना ही चाहिए. That's not true. Even though if you have 30% winning rate, he like a 30% टाइम तुम लूज कर रहे हो, यानी कि 10 ट्रेड किया है, उसके अंदर से 7 लॉस्ट कर रहे हो और ओनली 3 जीत रहे हो, then only you are profitable. It's not, the winning percentage is not important at all, right? अगर तुम सोचो कि 10 ट्रेड किया और उसके अंदर से ₹1 तुम्हारा, $1, if you lose it, you sell it. So 7 trade, if you do it, you lost the $7. So rest of that 3 trade, अगर ₹1 के ऊपर ₹3 बनाया, then that 3 trade will make a $9. So at the end of the 10 trade, you are profitable because you are making $2. You understand what I mean? So winning rate, क्योंकि ये लोग दिमाग के अंदर भूसा डालते हैं, so I don't think winning rate is more important. It's all important is कि आपका system कैसा है, what's your planning. So yeah, that's the thing you keep it out from your mind, is winning percentage 90 है तो ये system best है, या वो profitable है. ना ना ना, it's all about कि एक trade के अंदर कितना पैसा आप बना सकते हो. If you go on the markup stage here, $1 के ऊपर तुम $10 भी बना सकते हो. So that's the beauty of trading. So you don't see one trade alone. You want to see 10 trade together or 20 trade together, and then you can see, hey, yeah, I'm profitable or not. So don't discourage, क्योंकि market are dynamic. एक चीज है कि कोई भी predict नहीं कर सकता. Even the Warren Buffett can't predict the market. No one can predict the market. Only what we can do is we can find the best possible entry, so we have a minimum loss. That's how simple. And then you sit down and wait for gold or market gold. If price will push up, you are profitable. If price is not pushing up and it's going against you, just sell it. This is okay. Selling, if you do selling with like a standard rule is a 7% stop loss. So if you sell something with the 7% stop loss, and if hit, it's the best trade even though you are not making money. Think about it. You know 100 का शेयर लिया तो उसके अंदर $7 लॉस हुआ, तो मेरा 50% तो नहीं हो रहा है ना. Most of you guys are keeping holding for long term, like अभी 100,000 बिटकॉइन का लिया, अभी तक नीचे जाएगा, almost 50,000 let's say. तुम बेचोगे नहीं तो ऊपर जाएगा. भाई यार, तेरा अकाउंट ही हाफ हो गया, तो भी नहीं बेच रहा है. So you see, so that's why you need a plan. Anyhow, so yeah, that's the winning percentage. So trading essential. So trading के अंदर क्या चाहिए तुमको? So trading के अंदर तुमको एक watch list चाहिए. So watch list
धर्मेश, एक
watch
छोटा सा
list.
क्वेश्चन है इस ग्राफ पे, मैं थोड़ा टेम्प्ट हो रहा हूँ पूछने के। कैन आई आस्क?
Yep.
ओके, तो ये शायद अनिल जैसा ही क्वेश्चन है जो अनिल ने पूछा था, कि ये जो ग्राफ है यहाँ पे जो रेड्स हैं कुछ और ग्रीन है, तो यहाँ पे जैसे ये काफी दिन तक साइडवेज था, राइट? एंड देन वी कैन थिंक ऑफ कि भाई जो बिग प्लेयर्स हैं दे आर होल्डिंग ऑल दिस स्टॉक्स एंड वेटिंग फॉर कुछ दिन के बाद और वो बेचेंगे, बट इट वेंट बूम, थोड़ा सा ऊपर
Yeah.
गया। तो ऐसे सिचुएशन को में क्या करना चाहिए? लाइक आई मीन हाउ टू सी कि ये फोमो फोमो ट्रैप नहीं है या क्या है? और जबकि
Okay.
जबकि स्टॉक बढ़ गए, तो इसके मतलब कि कुछ और बिग प्लेयर्स जो थे बचे वो कर रहे हैं, या जो ऑलरेडी जो नीचे से लेके आए हैं ऊपर वो और कुछ कर रहे हैं, या हमें करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए? हाउ लाइक व्हेन वी कैन थिंक ऑफ?
Okay. तो like see, क्योंकि स्टॉक मार्केट के अंदर let's say 3,000 कंपनियां. So the question you need to ask is like a Bitcoin right now has. तो अगर Bitcoin अकेला ही चार्ट है in a stock market के अंदर, there is a beautiful, so many companies are about to exploit. So that's why you need to make a watch list, like a risk or reward either ज्यादा है या फिर जाके दूसरे कोई भी एसेट के अंदर, like a Tesla, everyone we discussing about Tesla and everything. Like, okay, this is weekly chart, so let me do the daily chart. I mean, Tesla it's beautiful chart. I like it. Look, पैसा तुम उसका lose भी कर सकता है. It's going, might be go low, but you see this one, अगर आप देख सकते हो तो this is kind of support. और इधर देखो ये कौन सा है, November 11 को, it's like a breakout, like a almost breakout point, a markup गया था. You can see it from here. Whole, कितने से गया था, 360 से 486. It's beautiful, it went. So the right now the risk to buy Tesla, if you think it's better, then it's the best timing to buy Tesla compared to you buy it here, like a FOMO, 487. You get it?
Okay.
Whatever I mean.
Yeah. Okay,
अभी
so
तो cheap, I think
तो मतलब
cheap है.
आप ये बोल रहे हो कि जो स्टॉक जो मान लो चाहे जितना भी फेवरेट हो, अगर वो ऊपर गया है तो उसको छोड़ के दूसरा अपॉर्चुनिटी देखो, दूसरे स्टॉक को देखो where there is a like a risk is minimum, or you can, right?
Yeah. So मैं आपको बताएगा, you asked the valid point, and this is a weekly chart of Tesla, okay? So I just like, let me try. Yeah, this page, if you see it, like a Tesla को कोई खरीदने वाला ही नहीं. If you see here, March से लेके 160, 150, 160, 150. So you see the accumulation they are doing, and they just little spike and put down all the stop loss. You look at the consolidation for a few months, like a March से लेके तुम देखो तो almost November तक, जब भी, like the September around, almost consolidation. This type of chart is everywhere. I mean, beautiful chart is there. तो तुमको क्यों Bitcoin अभी लेना है? You understand what I mean? Like right now, why you want to buy a Tesla? क्योंकि you find the best chart. Because तुम्हारा aim Tesla किधर जाएगा उससे नहीं है. Remember, you are not doing emotional scanning. Elon Musk क्या बोलता है, दुनिया उधर पहुंच जाएगी, इधर पहुंच जाएगी. Leave it. That's, they want to feed all the info in your mind, so you act and buy it, and that's how they can sell it to you. So look for the best chart. Look for the chart which is consolidating. Like this one, I can give you thousands of example like a
I have one question in this chart, so
yeah
can I?
yeah
So आपने बोला कि मार्च से नवंबर का जो टाइम देखा उसके बेस पे कि अभी से जाके वापस आया तो लेना चाहिए. तो हाउ यू डिसाइड कि किस टाइम को कंसीडर करना है? जो मार्च से नवंबर देख रहे हैं, यदि मैं और पीछे जाऊं तो मुझे और कुछ
Okay.
ऐसा मिलेगा जहां से स्टार्ट हुआ है बढ़ना या कांस्टेंट रेट है?
So look, that's why you need to have a watch list, right? एक कोई सा भी कंपनी है, क्योंकि मैं तो बोलता है वॉच लिस्ट के अंदर 10 कंपनी से ज्यादा डालो मत. द बेस्ट कंपनी 10 कंपनी है, उसके लिए भी मैं like I need to discuss, but let me discuss now. The best thing is कि तुमको आइडियल वॉच लिस्ट कैसे बना सकते हैं, तो उसके लिए इंडेक्स फंड आर द वन ऑफ द टॉप, ओके, इन दैट वन. दूसरा है कि स्टॉक अबाउट $50 to $100. Do not ever go below $50 unless you are professional. You know what to do, because day trader are playing around with all the stuff. And the third thing is, do not go and buy the stock which is more, like their market cap is lesser than the 200 billion or 400 billion. Just whatever your threshold, but the more is the better. क्योंकि बड़ा स्टॉक है, लेट्स से एप्पल है, तो उसको मैनिपुलेट करना है, $1 भी करना है, तो 1% can't do it. They need a more like a 10 or 20 fund manager to move up and down. You understand what I mean? क्योंकि उसका मार्केट कैप ही इतना बड़ा है कि उसको मूव करना, इट्स नॉट, one person can't do it easily. क्योंकि देखो फंड मैनेजर उधर करेगा, लॉट ऑफ सुपर कंपनी बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर एप्पल के अंदर लगाएगा सब कुछ. सो दे आर मोर सेफर एंड दे गिव यू मोर रिटर्न कंपेयर टू $1 का स्टॉक लिया, $1 का लिया तो you will definitely lose all the money. So buy the stock which is the more than $50 or $100 and good market cap, and only make a watch list of 10 to 15 stock. That's it. कोई ऊपर जा रहा है, कोई नीचे जा रहा है, ए भाई उबर का ऐसा आया, छोड़ो सब कुछ. मेरी वॉच लिस्ट में है, उसको ही लेगा, बाकी सबको छोड़ दो. That's answer your question? Hello? That's answer your question?
I think you
Okay.
answered, but his off looks like.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So this
Not related to the charts, but like how do you choose different stocks? Like now you cannot just scan 100 stocks, right? There should be a mechanism to say, okay, these are the 20 or 30 I want to scan, and then decide these are the 5 I need to invest, which are like consolidation or phase 1 or
Yes.
2 is happening.
Yeah.
So
So मेरा like my personal things, मेरे को देखो top 7 कंपनी है, मेटा, एप्पल, टेस्ला, नेटफ्लिक्स, Nvidia.
Yeah.
Oh, like a top boys, I like it more. और थोड़ा growth company भी 2-4 कंपनी होएगा, like a what I will say, few. But you look, no brainer. Okay, you get 10 company whatever, because देखो स्टॉक मार्केट में अंदर ऊपर तो जाएगा ही सब कुछ, almost, because they want to perform, it will go up. Look, look, you got a beautiful chart every time you go. Look at this one, is the Boeing, right? बोइंग को कोई लेने वाला नहीं है. देखो 265 है, 265 इधर देखो, एक कंसोलिडेशन पीरियड के अंदर 150 140 कोई नहीं है, और अभी 180 पहुंच गया. I mean, if you do this trade, I mean, ideally if you buy it from here, and it's 31%. You see, chart is everywhere. You good chart. If Boeing is giving you 30%, 1 year के अंदर इतना टाइम भी नहीं लगा. So where was that? November 2-3 months के अंदर 31% बन गया. So you are happy with like 1 year, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
So many beautiful chart is there. Only look for those chart are beautiful. You will love it, and it's everywhere, everywhere. देख एक आपको दिखाता है, so you understand more. Apple, Apple chart is beautiful. Like a क्या बोलता है, ए वीकली कंसोलिडेशन हो रहा था 170 रेंज का. आप देखो लास्ट ईयर हो रहा था ऑलमोस्ट दिस रीजन. कौन सा था, फरवरी से लेके फरवरी से अप्रैल तक हो रहा था. और ये लोग बोलता है एप्पल तो डूब जाएगा, उसका सेल नहीं है, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, ऑल द स्टफ, कीप ऑन गोइंग एंड कीप ऑन गोइंग. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस स्टेज टू फ्रॉम दैट स्टेज to now, it's 57% return. Apple, अगर एप्पल तुमको इतना रिटर्न दे सकता है तो why you need to go for a $2 company? तुमको पैसा सेव है और एप्पल फ्यूचर में पैसा डुबाएगा नहीं. So you see, lot of companies are there like this one. So watch list, make it with the big player, make it just compared to small. Yeah, you understand what I mean?
Yes. Thanks.
Oh, okay. So that's the okay. So अपने को क्या बनाना है? Watch list बनाना है. अपने को दूसरा क्या काम करना है? मार्केट स्कैनर बनाना है. So मार्केट स्कैन इमोशनल स्कैनिंग नहीं करना है. रियलिटी, इट्स फैक्ट ऑन द डेटा. यू डोंट अगर मैं भी आपको बोल दे भाई टेस्ला ले लो, नहीं धर्मेश भाई को बहुत पता चलता है, उसका ले लो. नहीं लेने का, मेरे को भी तुम मैं क्यों लू? आप बोल रहे हो. अगर ओके आपने बोला है, मैं आपका रिस्पेक्ट करता है, लेट मी सी द चार्ट. अगर मेरे को लगता है हाँ दिस इज द गुड पॉइंट टू बाय इट, यू बाय इट. अदरवाइज यू जस्ट वेट, बिकॉज अपॉर्चुनिटी इज ऑलवेज देयर, राइट? सो एंड थर्ड थिंग है ट्रेडिंग टूल. आज उसके बारे में ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बोल सकता. सो देयर इज अ वेरियस टूल्स, like a okay, this is the kind of one tool is it's called SuperTrend. Okay, so SuperTrend क्या करता है कि just like I won't go in the deep, but you need to understand कि green line है तब तक वो ऊपर चलता रहेगा, so you can buy it. Okay, red line है तो it's selling happening. So until green line नहीं दिखा तब तक तुम रह सकते हो. So that's called the tools. There is so many tools like a moving average and so RSI and अभी कुछ कोई भाई बोला था RSI के बारे में कुछ. I can teach a lot of stuff, but tool is too big to make you understand. So anyhow, so trading tool चाहिए. और मैं बोलता है कितने लोग ग्रुप के अंदर greedy है. They are happy to lose $1,000, but if they want to spend $100 on the tool, they will afraid to do it. They don't want to spend any single dollar. Hey, this is a business. If you want to make a good money out of that one, never afraid to spend money on the good tools. Like a trading, you have 500 years car. That's okay. If you want to make this one as a business or for future, spend it. If something is coming like a medium करके एक news है, I'm paying $10 every month. Spend it, because that's more data means more your decision is refined. So you need to spend on the tools. Do not afraid, क्योंकि long term अगर $500 का तुम ट्रेडिंग व्यू पे ले लिया और एक एप्पल का इधर तुमको हिंट मिल गया, अभी 50% तो मेरा चला गया, तो 10,000 का पोर्टफोलियो 15,000 हो गया. So eventually tools will pay it by itself. So do not hesitate to spend on the tools, not on the signal. Yeah.
धर्मेश भाई, so
Yes.
सबसे पहला कंफ्यूजन होता है कि कौन सा टूल genuinely हेल्प करने वाला है, right? So that I think can guide people maybe कि कौन से टूल में जो people should invest. Like TradingView is one of them.
ट्रेडिंग व्यू अगर अभी तुम स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो you just get a ट्रेडिंग व्यू फ्री. और दूसरा टूल है अपन, एक बार अगर इनफ इंटरेस्ट रहेगा तो टूल्स आल्सो वी विल वर्क, बिकॉज टूल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड टूल्स, विदाउट टूल्स यू आर ब्लाइंड मैन. You just doing emotional scanning. making random emotional decision which you know read literally, it's going nowhere. And eventually this is a good recipe, you will gonna lose the money at all. I want this, the aim of this group is to and aim of this group is to use your intelligence, because I need you guys, right? Because miracles, most of you feel like you are intelligent, but you guys are idiots too. You don't recognize your own strength. You are the best of best in नवोदय, और नवोदय के अंदर से भी जो भी cream था वो become NRI. So you are not a simple guy. You are the best. Just those intelligent, if think about it as a group, if
ये
you
बहुत
use
अच्छा
that
लगा सुनने में,
intelligence,
आज बहुत अच्छी नींद आएगी.
yeah, you
पैसा
you
मिले या ना
all,
मिले, बट बेस्ट
yeah,
वाला
yeah,
पार्ट ये.
you are. Look at someone is a CEO and someone is, handling 10, 15 pharmacy, and someone is there and someone is there. All are the prime, like a prime position pair. But you are, this is the way the group investing work very well when everyone contribute. Teach each other. You teach me if you find some info. Let's do it as a group. But that's aim nahi hua, क्योंकि everyone has a ego, or everyone has a, they are lazy to even though see the chart. Easy hota hai, then they are happy to do it, and that's pissed me off a lot. Sorry, I'm blunt person. I don't go around the bush and tell the people, hey, yeah. If you feel bad, you feel bad. That's how I am. And when I'm getting old, I'm like I become grumpy more. So anyhow, so that's why whinging. So let's back to the real things. So
One last question on the tool. So
yes.
the trading companies that we use, like Robinhood or Weibo, they also provide the charts, right? So is there something that are lacking in them compared to this, or like it's the same thing, but the way that we see the content about the charts is more better and then more informative in these tools?
But this one, TradingView, is like a Ferrari, okay? And the Robinhood is like a Maruti 800. So here you can do so much of stuff, so much. Still, they don't have a much more, like a machine learning and all the stuff and all the, like so many different stuff. But anyhow, so this one is like a Ferrari. Yeah, you can see this candle. It's high Kanasi. Here, if you want to change, you can do the bar. Like whatever you want to. You want a candle, you can do candle. You want a line chart, you can do line chart. You want to this one. Don't allow me, but equal. So many like Renko. This is also different start. So don't go in the too deep about this one. But see, the whatever your style, you can use this one, and so many things you can do it with this charting platform. Yeah.
Okay. Well, like I understood the difference between the Ferrari and the Maruti. I think I need to do more research on the tool. Like, what tool can help me?
Yeah.
Thanks.
We can, a lot of people can teach you in the group, because they are good with the TradingView. Okay, let's go back to, because it will be longer and longer, and half of people will sleep. So technical analysis or fundamental analysis. I believe technical analysis always kill the fundamental analysis. Like look, sometimes the even the good earning stock नीचे चला जाता है, और कुछ भी, like so and so things. But my preferred source is like because I'm day trader, you shouldn't do it, क्योंकि हम लोगों को दिन का प्राइस कितना अप एंड डाउन होता है उसके ऊपर डिसीजन लेना होता है. But my preferred thing, the best tool, like a news source, क्योंकि जब भी न्यूज आपको मिलता है, तो न्यूज आपको जब भी पढ़ रहे हो, so that news is almost old. people already act on it. क्योंकि आपके पास जब भी न्यूज होएगा तो न्यूज आएगा आपके पास तो 10-15 मिनट तो कम से इवन दो यू बेस्ट ट्रेडर कम से कम उसको 5 मिनट पे पहुंचेगा इन द chart they already bought it because of the good news or bad news or whatever, and the time you go you will trap yourself. So news जो भी आता है तुम्हारे पास वो old है, so do not act on the news. क्योंकि तुमको पता है कि फेड, सबको पता होएगा फेड मीटिंग चलता है, राइट? फेड मीटिंग के अंदर some of the big player has the facial recognition software. So जेरेमी पोल बोलेगा उसके पहले वो प्रिडिक्ट करता है कि नेक्स्ट क्या आने वाला है, वो उसके ऊपर the price going up or down, so you see they have so much of advanced tool. So do not totally use those things, but prefer what I like is मेरा favorite tool है earnings calendar में देखता है, earnings report नहीं देखता है. I don't care about earnings. Just please don't ignore me on this one because I am day trader. So मेरे को कुछ मतलब नहीं है कि कंपनी क्या करेगा फ्यूचर में और whatever this things will do और कौन सा पैसा बना रहा है और क्या कर रहा है. I don't care about it. मेरे को चार्ट पे देखना है कि ये ऊपर जा सकता है या नहीं जा सकता, और मेरे को लगा कि हाँ जा सकता है, और मैं न्यूज में किधर देखा कि हाँ भाई एप्पल का ये हुआ, then that phase is already solid, right? कि तुमको टेक्निकल भी मिल रहा है और न्यूज भी मिल रहा है. But most ofly I think I depend on the technical side. It's like a fishing, hey, कौन सक्सेसफुल हुआ है फिशिंग करने गया और जैसे ही नेट डाला उधर से फिश आ गई. You need to wait for it, right? So that's how the chart is developing. You need to wait for it. You just buy it and just wait. So yeah,
एक मेरे
so
को कोट याद आया. एक ट्रेडर था पुराना अर्ली 20th सेंचुरी में, बर्नार्ड बरूच. उसका स्टेटमेंट था, शो मी द चार्ट आई विल टेल यू द न्यूज.
चार्ट तुमको पहले ही न्यूज दे देता है. So chart तुमको, like I never seen it, but let me try to do, because last Friday वे अपन उबेर का बात कर रहे थे. So anyhow, उबेर का अच्छा अर्निंग, like this is just example of उबेर. So you see 59 से 1 2 3 4 5 6 दिन से ऊपर जा रहा था. You see this chart. So उसका बड़े प्लेयर है, उसका जो भी whatever CEO and all the stuff, they knows better than you. They knows before you, and they will act first before you do, right? So chart is the everything, I think. Okay, so let's go to the next stage. आपने किन लोगों को विक्स के बारे में पता है? किसी को विक्स के बारे में पता है?
Yes.
Okay. So how you use the VIX?
So VIX is basically kind of sentiment, right? मार्केट का. So volatility बढ़ रहा है या कम हो रहा है मार्केट में, तो that it goes, right?
Yeah, that's true. Like a VIX, ऐसा है कि VIX like a fear gauge. Okay, so market के अंदर कैसा है कि चाइना ने टैरिफ कर दिया, तो the fear will kick in, and that's fear. It's measured by the VIX. Okay, so the VIX, I don't want to give it too much detail, but you understand the VIX is always impact the market, and especially the downtrend. So now we are going to very interesting phase. So I want you guys to understand this one, because this one will help you to make a good entry. Okay, so अपन क्या देख रहे हैं कि weather. So what's the weather of the market? So to check that one, you have to check the VIX. Okay? So अगर विक्स को नहीं देखा तो तुमको पता नहीं है कि अगर विक्स एलिवेटेड है, so I will try to look, I just make a custom thing so you can understand. So
VIX is a negative impact of fear.
yes, negative. क्योंकि just let me, I'm not a good explainer, but let me try to tell you is जब भी विक्स ऊपर जाता है तो you need to understand market नीचे जाएगा. Okay? जब भी विक्स नीचे जाता है तो तुमको समझना है कि मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा. अभी अगर चार्ट के अंदर ये देखो, जस्ट लाइक आई डोंट गिव अ ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन, बट तुमको ये दिमाग, now you listen and understand properly. If you have a question, you ask me, because this is the interesting part we want to discuss. कि स्टॉक होता है, सो स्टॉक क्या करता है कि 99% of the stock or 98% of the stock, they follow the market. अगर मार्केट ऊपर गया तो वो भी ऊपर जाएगा, उसके अंदर कोई जान नहीं होता, because literally it's market going up, so I'm going up. और दूसरा स्टॉक होएगा वो मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा तो वो नीचे जा रहा है. So the strength of that stock is lesser than the market, right? एक स्टॉक का more than the market, or 99% they the one follow the market. Now you understand these three things? If you have a question, you ask me.
भैया
So this
ये विक्स और आरएसआई रिलेटेड हैं क्या? जो आपने
नहीं,
स्ट्रेंथ वर्ड यूज किया तो मेरे को लगा
स्ट्रेंथ यानी कि क्या है कि स्ट्रेंथ इन सिंपल वर्ड इज, देखो एक एसपीवाई मार्केट है, एसपीवाई लेट्स से, तो एसपीवाई 1% जा रहा है और मेटा 2% जा रहा है, राइट? सो द इंडिविजुअल स्टॉक हैज अ मोर स्ट्रेंथ देन द मार्केट.
ओके
So PLTR का भी वो एग्जांपल है कि
yeah, let's PLTR, let's try to look here, क्योंकि let's now अगर ए देखो, एक ग्रीन वाला है, yeah, so ग्रीन, जो भी ग्रीन है area, so that's the time the stock has a more strength than the market. So red one represent उस time पे, oh sorry, this is for the VIX. Okay, so let me try to change it to, so make it something. This is my coding things is I will send it, I will show you. But anyhow, this one green area है तो उसको समझो कि stock का strength market से like a VIX was this one is for the VIX, so let's concentrate the VIX. I will come on that one. Anyhow, let me do it this one. ये chart आपको दिख रहा है?
Yeah.
यस
Okay, let me try to this one, so I don't want you to become confused. Okay, so कौन सा आप बोले थे, उबेर और कौन सा
PLTR.
PLT. Okay, so let me try to. Okay, sorry guys, I'm not good with. Anyhow, so PLTR. So देखो ये green line आपको दिख रहा है? Green line.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let me try to make it. So green line है वो represent करता है SPY का value. Okay. Yeah. And the the blue line is representing the PLTR. Okay, so A point आया कभी आया था point up 16th of January पे PLTR का strength market से ऊपर आया था. You understand this thing?
Okay.
Yeah. So let's go back to 16th of 1. Now let's go to the chart. So can you see the chart now?
Yes.
Yeah. So you see the 16th of the time, we get a signal because strength of PLTR, sorry, rather. So anyhow, the more than the SPY. और देखो सिग्नल मिला था तुमको. अगर तुम्हारा वॉच लिस्ट में होता PLTR, तुमको सिग्नल मिला कि भाई A16 से उसका स्ट्रेंथ मार्केट से ज्यादा हो रहा है. अगर वो सिग्नल आप फॉलो किया होता तो ऑलमोस्ट 74% मनी तुम बनाया होता. PLTR. So,
DD by ये स्ट्रेंथ कहाँ से मिलता है? स्ट्रेंथ इज जस्ट द प्राइस?
No. स्ट्रेंथ यानी कि क्या है कि ये दो घोड़े हैं. One is the market. Sorry, let me not confuse. So सबसे बड़ा मार्केट के अंदर क्या होता है? इंडेक्स. ओके, सो लेट्स गो बैक टू द ग्राउंड कि इंडेक्स फंड होता है, पूरा मार्केट को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. तो मार्केट आइदर वीक है या आइदर स्ट्रॉन्ग है या कुछ भी है. सो दैट इज अ वन स्टेज वेयर around 95 to 95%, let's say, the stock, they follow the market. So 95 stock को follow आप करोगे तो market को follow करेगा. So that's the 95 is gone. So rest of, let's say, 5%, either वो market से ज्यादा उसका strength है कि market 1% जाता है up तो 2% जाता है.
Is it a standard deviation from the market average?
No. I can send you those tools. Yeah.
Okay.
Just give me some time, but I want you to understand this thing. Don't go in the tool side, but just to understand three things. Stock 95% stock market के साथ ऊपर भी जाता है, नीचे भी जाता है. उसके अंदर कोई there is no soul. It's just the body is moving, with the market. The rest of 5% है वो मार्केट ऊपर भी जा रहा है तो नीचे जाएंगे. So that's the second one. And the third one is market से नीचे भी जा रहा है तो भी वो ऊपर जाएगा क्योंकि their strength is higher. So we have a 3 scenario. Scenario A है कि it's neutral, right? Neutral means मार्केट के साथ ही जाएगा. और सिनारियो 2 है अपना कि मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है तो भी वो गोइंग डाउन. वो सिनारियो 3 है कि मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है बट ये भाई साहब तो ऊपर ही जा रहे हैं. You understand this 3 stage?
Yeah.
So this is
Yeah.
like general trend for that stock, or it's like जैसे Uber था, right? Uber was going up on Friday, right?
Yeah.
But it is not general trend for Uber.
Sorry, can you explain general उसका strength? Let's
दूसरा स्टॉक है तो हम सिर्फ शॉर्ट टर्म में बात कर रहे हैं उसका, या जनरली वैसा हो रहा है उस स्टॉक के साथ? जैसे नेवेडिया है, वो मार्केट को पुल कर रहा है ऊपर, राइट? या
any stock Okay, you give me name anyone you want to check the Nvidia or what you want to check. Any stock I can show you.
And let's check Nvidia.
Nvidia. Okay. So
ये आपका खुद का टूल है क्या ये?
huh?
ये आपका खुद का टूल है पाइथन में?
Yeah. I developed this one.
So
Anyhow,
वेबसाइट जो आपने दिया था वो आपका बनाया हुआ मतलब?
yeah, it's mine.
Okay.
That's I need to do so many things.
Awesome.
So
मैंने देखा तो उसमें एक बार जाके, बट मेरे को थोड़ा और समझना था उसको. Yeah.
no, that's okay. That's okay. So Nvidia, abhi, I mean, ideally, I'm just talking about कि कौन सा आया क्रॉस 27 of 1. ये देखो एक उसका स्पाई से Nvidia का स्ट्रेंथ कम हुआ. Okay, so you just need to understand this point. Okay, so 27.1. Let's go back to the chart. Yeah, 27. If you see this one, कि उसका pre-market के अंदर चला गया. But ideally you see this two side. A पूरा day का candle है. But let's go to the 4 hours or something. 26. Yeah. So ये point से आप देखो. So strength of Nvidia is going down, isn't it? ये जब भी price हुआ कि 122 है. So recently, you see it went to the up to 112. क्यों गया? क्योंकि SPY से Nvidia का strength कम है. So that time when the Nvidia strength is lesser than the SPY, you don't go in. And this is basically for the people who doing long term. Yeah. So that's the, इधर कोई बोलेगा हाँ इधर खरीद लो Nvidia ऊपर जाएगा. No. First, before you check anything, you check the strength of the stock. Strength is high, you buy it. And look, even though if you miss this, small amount, like this is for the day trader, but it's okay. You don't worry about, like if you're missing out something, that's totally fine if you're missing out. So yeah, it's just the going smaller time frame. So आपको समझ में आया मैं क्या बोल रहा है? Yeah, I need to explain you more.
So we have to take entry when, for good return, we need to make entry when stock strength is going higher than the
Higher.
market.
Yes. So
And
that's the one of the
we are
criteria.
using SPY as the benchmark here for the market.
Yes. So let's this is
तो
also
अगर
interesting.
ये टूल हम यूज करें तो अगर ये ग्रीन लाइन को स्पाई को क्रॉस करता है तो देन वी कैन बाय पुट्स मींस
Look,
विल फॉल.
do not see. This is not for a day trade. Okay, so day trade need a refined stuff. So we can talk about this one, but this is basically for those people who want to do swing. Okay, so उसको ज्यादा पता नहीं है कि चलो किसी ने बोल दिया मेटा को लेना है. Okay, let me go and check the strength. If strength is getting like अगर 10 stock तुम्हारा watch list में है, every day morning you just check like a meta it's really good like it's went bizarre like let's say एक मंथ का ही है तुम ईयर का भी कर सकते हो like like लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर हो मेटा का कभी आया था लास्ट 31.7 को बाय सिग्नल आया था लाइक ए स्ट्रेंथ मेटा का मार्केट से ऊपर चला गया था 31.7 let's try to check it.
ये साइट का यूआरएल फिर से देंगे क्या आपने जो भेजा था?
Yeah, we can do later on. Sorry, guys. If you have a question, you let me explain you this one. Then you ask me, because this is must. If you want to make money, you need to understand this one. So feel free to ask as much you can. So Meta का 31 ईयर के चार्ट पे, अगर if you are long term investor, 31 पे उसका सिग्नल आया था. So 31 of 7, yeah, इधर आया था उसका सिग्नल. And you will see the strength of the Meta is going above the SPY on the 31 on the yearly chart. और देखो 56% is interest. Like a growth. I mean, where you will gonna get it? This one. See, that's the beauty of technical stuff.
तो इसमें कैसे हम वो सिग्नल देखेंगे? like if we are doing this chart, right? तो अभी तो ये जैसे ग्राफ बना हुआ है, देन वी सी की यहाँ का ये सिग्नल है. बट अगर यहीं से शुरू होता, देन हाउ वी कैन रिकॉग्नाइज कि यार ये अभी बढ़ेगा ऐसे.
Yeah. So that's the good question. So देखो, market uncertainty होता है, right? कि market को पता नहीं कल क्या होने वाला है. So that's uncertainty is good. So first मैं अगर होता है तो मैं क्या देख रहा है अभी मेरे को मेटा, आप बोलो कि ये मेटा का चार्ट तुमको दिख रहा है. What phase we are? Can you give me the answer? चार्ट का अपन चार स्टेज का बात किया था.
हाँ.
या आप
तो
कोई बोल सकता है कौन सा स्टेज पे है अपन?
अब ये तो मुझे लाइक सेकंड स्टेज का लग रहा है.
ये सो मार्क अप दैट्स योर
वीकली में जाएंगे एक बार.
ये
We have to look at multiple time frames, right?
yeah. So weekly, this is a weekly. So what do you think now? It's just the same what you like आप बोल रहे ना कि दो. So okay, so
right, and
yes, you guys, yes, you guys are smart. See, you already knows that the first stage कि चार्ट को खोल के देखो कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है. अगर अपन स्टेज 1 के अंदर है, that's what you need to see the chart. Stage 1 के अंदर है, then you are interested but you are not acting yet. Okay, so stage 1 के अंदर तुम देखा और अभी ऊपर चला गया, तो अभी मेटा को कोई खरीद सकता है चार्ट के हिसाब से?
नहीं.
क्यों नहीं खरीद सकता?
कि ऑलरेडी अप है. आई मीन जो
That's it.
रिटेलर्स.
That's it. That's the best answer. कि इधर तुमको पैसा बनाने का चांसेस क्या है? The risk level is too high to just get in with the meta. Yeah. So back to our plan. First, check the chart and check the strength of the the face of the chart. कि क्या कर रहा है चार्ट? अपने को always look for the chart. Who care about? अपने को कोई कंपनी से मतलब ही नहीं है. टेस्ला क्या करेगा, नवीडिया क्या करेगा, किसी से मतलब नहीं. अपने को तो मतलब है पैसे से कि क्या ऊपर जाएगा. सो स्टेज अपने को स्टेज 1 मिल गया. The second thing we need to find is the strength, right? The strength अपन जो भी अपन बात कर रहे थे इधर, this is also one of the good website. I will send you the link. It's doing same thing like strength, to find a strength. If you want to see it like a ये कौन सा? Okay, Any stock, new stock, if you want me to, like a search, like strength, किसी के watch list पे है?
ASTS.
Pardon?
ASTS.
ASTS. Yeah, look at this one, and this is like a monster. ये देखो उसका strength SPY से, like May 16 को up हुआ था. May 16, ASTS. ASTS. Look at this monster,
बस हमें ये पता चल जाए ये वाला ग्राफ कैसे पहचानना है, बस that's it.
The whole aim is that one. Okay? So देखो ये ASTS आप बात कर रहे थे $2 का था उधर से almost 27. So simple tool, only 2 tools you are using. एक the market का कौन सा cycle है, almost if you see weekly here, it's consolidation, it's going down, it's like a lot of technical analysis you can do it, but in future we will go more down to the depth. But I want you to understand is the normal logic. So this is also trend line, देखो 16 को सिग्नल इधर से आया कि स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा है, ट्रेंड लाइन को ब्रेक किया, so this is the good buy around $4, if, but look, small company का pumping dumping होता है, so I don't trade the small company, but according to our system, if you want to trade the ASTS, you got a good entry on the 16th of the April 2014, and you could be millionaire right now, 10,000 का लिया तो अभी 24 हो गए.
So according to trend हम सबको ये स्टॉक ऐसे पॉइंट पे नहीं ले सकते थे, राइट?
सॉरी, कौन सा?
ये अकॉर्डिंग टू ट्रेंड, हमारा जो ट्रेंड लाइन आपने खींची है, अकॉर्डिंग टू ट्रेंड इज डाउन ट्रेंड, राइट?
नहीं, वो ट्रेंड लाइन को ब्रेक किया उसने, देखो that's the time.
Yeah, so many different, you can use the like you can look. I don't want to go into too much about the the tools, but look, if you want the tools, is so many. I love the tools. I this is a simple moving average. I like to use a 13. So a 13 का moving average है, तो moving average is all about एक candle है, उसका average क्या है, so almost it's just whatever the calculation, but याद क्या रखना है, अगर candle moving average के ऊपर है तो it's going up, so you shouldn't sell unless it break down. So it's beautiful chart and beautiful trade with the doing so simple stuff. So in summary, what I want you to guys to do it next time, your long-term portfolio, whenever someone, the first you stop listening, stop doing emotional scanning, totally stop. The second thing, you go to the chart and check, hey, which phase we are. So if you find we are in the phase first, that's your prime stock. That's what you need to buy. And the Facebook
question,
and
Dharal bhai, question here. Is it stage 1 to buy or stage when it enters stage 2, like breaking the trend line?
Yeah. So the trend line is, I just draw it, but for this one, you look, for this one, we already knows that the like a strength stock ka upar ja raha hai, market se. When we check here, what we check here, strength, it's similar things, strength, SPY se uska strength बढ़ रहा है. So बढ़ रहा है means we are going in the second stage. You get it? क्योंकि मार्केट के अंदर ये स्टॉक मार्केट से उल्टा जा रहा है. Yeah, you get so many beautiful, like like let me try this. This
One question there. So
yes.
how many days or how many weeks that we need to look for that it is doing stronger than SPY? Right. Now it is in trend 2. Is there a maybe a baseline? I won't say that's a concrete base or anything, but okay, look for 2 weeks. If it is still going up, then it is like stage 2 to enter.
No. You see the possibility क्या है, market और 4 cycle अपन बोले वही होता है, continuously कि ऊपर जाता नीचे जाता consolidation होता है, ऊपर जाता है, फिर distribution होता है, नीचे जाता है, फिर से ऊपर जाता है. Those are 4 stage. Continuously it's happening. It's not like something not happening. You everywhere you can see this chart like ASML है. Continuously you see ऊपर जाया, ऊपर गया, वो कोई मुन पे नहीं जाता है. Yeah, so don't think like इधर 2000 पे चला जाएगा. Don't think like this one. So ऊपर गया 800, नीचे आया 300, किसी को लेने का नहीं जरूरत. फिर से ऊपर गया like 1000, फिर से इधर किसी को 6854 पे है. Let look for a strength of this one. How year का. दिखा नहीं रहा है, but anyhow, it is my tool. So, look at the ASM, उसका 1 year chart, all right? So you just need to, I just want to focus on this point because you see, this one will always there, but as देखो market को follow कर रहा है, लेकिन this stage I want to cross down कभी हुआ था, 22.8 को cross down हुआ था, ASM का. So, 22, yeah. Okay. Somewhere here, buys at go, 20, you see the ASML, either से टूटने लगा, A point से टूटने लगा, the strength of the ASML went down to the market. Now you see, the ideally you need to see, is it good time to buy it? नहीं, क्योंकि उसका strength market से कम है. अगर strength ज्यादा है, तो we can buy it, right? So that's the criteria. You can use it. The first is the chart, the second is the strength. और वो दोनों चीज किया, like let's say like ideally it happened like पहला अपन बोले थे ना कि इधर लिया आप, let's say you want to buy it and you have a 7% standard stop loss. कभी कभी तुम एंट्री गलत भी हो सकता है, स्टॉप लॉस को हिट करा, तो दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस, कि 2-4 ट्रेड उल्टा सीधा भी जा सकता है, बट the more possibility is the strength is increasing, so possibility we are making money. और अगर तुम इधर लिया और प्राइस ऊपर जा रहा है, then you move your stop loss to your buying price and let it ride. कि अभी क्या हो रहा है कि मैं जितना प्राइस पे लिया है उतने पे स्टॉप लॉस हिट करेगा, तो मैं आई एम नॉट लूजिंग एनी मनी. ऊपर कितना जाएगा अपने को पता नहीं. इट कैन गो फर्दर एंड फर्दर एंड फर्दर, राइट? सो वी डोंट नो. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, guys. So look, I want to go in the so many different things about VIX, but I think it will make more confused to the confusion. So let's don't do it. So just to understand now the the but if you want to see that, like I want to, my idea was to try to teach you more about the weather, but a lot of people don't know much about these things. But this is SPY, and it's like this is the gold mine for the VIX. Just the introduction I can give you. You see, when the VIX is going down, look at the SPY. Man, if you buy any green, like we are day traders, okay? If you buy this one when you get a signal up to here, you almost make a 400, 500% or more than that, So, look at all the beauty. When it starts, if you do it, your entry is really powerful. Every time it's just very, very good entry. You see, like sometimes it's small stuff will come, but if you bought here, you don't care about it. So a SPY ka chart hai. So it only work very well on the index,
So,
like SPY.
Ramesh bhai, the background है, that is VIX, right? VIX ka.
Yes. So yes.
Can
So
you just
जो
put a little bit on
green
this?
back, so the green background है, उस time पे VIX down जा रहा है
Mhm.
compared to
कितना परसेंट है वो 20 या 30?
who?
The red, what does it denote? VIX is below what?
It's just a complex formula. I did it. So the VIX is going down, compared to market. Okay, so that's what you need to understand.
Okay.
So जब भी वो ideal situation आता है, I mean honestly guys, this only one chart, and if you are option trader, if you follow this only things, you will be millionaire. Trust me. If because it's just the beauty. It's just क्योंकि एक दिन के अंदर हम लोग 200% up and down होता है. Like you see how beautiful the VIX is going, and in future if people interested, we will do more on the VIX. So anyhow, so you see how
जो
the
भी
market.
चार्ट मिलियनर बना सकता वही उसी पे फोकस करेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम.
So that's the open. Let's recap with our conversation. So अपने को stop देखना है कि चार्ट का कौन सा stage है. Yeah. The second thing we need to see is the strength. So if both are ticking up, possibility you can buy it, that stock. So next time
question है मेरे को इसमें जो अपना stages के अंदर. So stage 1 or stage 2, right? That's where we should buy. I mean either towards where we enter stage 2. But जो stage 2 और stage 3 है, right? So उसके बीच में it's also kind of confusing. Is it FOMO or is it good point? So how we make our decision based on the data and chart? In that case, if we are entering a FOMO, or it's still a good time when it's already in stage 2 and going towards stage 3.
Okay, so the FOMO, it will go much further, but the look, अगर simple things अगर तुम समझ सकते हो, तो let me try to draw it. So दूसरा कुछ बुद्धि नहीं लगाने का. देखो एक कैंडल ऊपर भी नहीं जा रहा, नीचे भी नहीं जा रहा. What you can see, someone is holding the market because they want to sell it. You see, buyer is not able to push the price from that level, और उसको sell भी नहीं करने दे रहा है जो भी बड़ा player है, until they sell. And you see it went eventually down where, क्योंकि स्टॉक को साइकोलॉजी क्या है, अगर स्टॉक को तुम देखो तो उसको स्टॉक को बढ़ाने ऊपर कभी जाता है. जब भी पूरे आदमी अपना, seller is gone, that's the time, the buyer will be more heavier and push the price up, right? अगर ए स्टेज पे क्या होता है कि सेलर ज्यादा है कंपेयर टू बायर, सो क्या हो रहा है कि प्राइस को ऊपर बायर पहुंचाना चाहता है लेकिन नहीं कर सकता है क्योंकि देयर इज इनफ सेलर, राइट? सो जब भी ये सेलिंग खत्म होता है तभी अपन न्यूट्रल फेज पे पहुंच जाते हैं, वी आर वेरी मच न्यूट्रल फेज कि वो समय पे कोई सेल करने वाला नहीं है, कोई होल्डर ही है सब कुछ. सो दैट्स द टाइम देन प्राइस विल गोना पुश अप अगेन. सो दैट्स द साइकिल ऑफ लाइक ए, उसको एडवांस में तुम सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस भी बोल सकता है. You can say the liquidity zone too, like a more advanced if people want to,
supply zone, demand zone.
Yes. Like whatever you want to, all are fancy name of.
So my
price.
question is like when you put this line around this distribution zone, right? So this bar, this candle right here, the third last candle, let's say, right? From the third last green, no, not on there, in the where you draw.
Yeah.
So the candle where before just starting red, right? First, so two candles before the red start. So if somebody enter here, right? How to avoid the entry here? That's like, because we at that point it's still going green, but we entered, and either we have to put stop loss, right? Or we got get in.
Okay, so तुमको सैंडविच में नहीं घुसना है, ओके? मिडल में नहीं घुसने का कभी. So this stock, it's from here to it's going up, so either बीच के अंदर घुसने का नहीं. Never go. I mean, ideally, if you want to make money, don't go in the middle of sandwich. Middle पे तुम पैसा तुम lose करोगे. Either तुम A stage पे जाओ या either consolidation हो रहा है तो either buy करो या either buy करो. So for your good entry. That's why people are doing mistake, because either किया तो किधर stop loss रखेगा, either ही रख सकता है, right? So don't buy in between. That's why we are with the Tesla, we talk about it, and I please don't trade on the base of this one, but just to example, अगर either लिया तो I can define my stop loss, right? अगर चलो 340 किया, let's say 340 पे रखा, so I know my idea, like okay, it's stop out, but this is the very good possibility कि ऊपर जा सकता है. Right. Unless you go here.
Support तक को break किया तो we have to get out.
Yeah. और Tesla है तो like so the buying is all about इधर से आदमी सेल कर रहा है, देखो कैसे कर रहा है कि ऐसा नहीं कि एक दिन में पूरा नीचे जा रहा है. वो धीरे धीरे बड़ा प्लेयर सेल कर रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, नीचे जा रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, नीचे जा रहा है, और इधर पहुंचा दिया. So this one would be much better entry compared to you go in the halfway like either. समझा? Yeah.
तो अगर यहाँ पे हम लेते हैं, वो हो सकता है और नीचे जाए.
There is a possibility. Let's check the Tesla. What's happening here? There is a possibility कि कुछ भी हो सकता है. But your entry is much better if you do it now. Risk to reward. Okay. So this is the Tesla 1 year, but anyhow 1 month. Let me do it. So 1 month, 1 month का तुम देखते हो तो Tesla को 31 January से down trend है, strength is going down, so almost 10% went down. 31 January, yeah. So 30. Yeah, 31. From this point, 419 पे strength उसका spy से कम हो गया. So you see how big you get it, from here. You can go short too if you want to. 417 से अगर तुम बेचा इधर जब भी strength उसका कम हो गया, so you could almost make a 14% out of that Tesla, only on the base of that signal. But it's up to you time frame you are doing, right? So yeah, that's the magic of support and resistance, or the stage one. Stage one is all about observing and waiting for it, and then strength is up hora. Then you started to buy. And look, the big company, that's why you are happy to hold the big company. अगर मेटा है, टेस्ला है, तो कोई पूरी जिंदगी पे तो नीचे zero तो नहीं होने वाला है. So you basically you put those company in the watch list. They are proven. They are making money. They are not just all bullshit. So that's the 4 or 5 company or 10 company. If you have it, it's bingo. You're making money. And if you do it like a 10,000 portfolio, whatever portfolio, keep on doing, you will have 4 or 5 losers. But ultimately, you will make money out of this one. You can't always nail your entry. Yeah?
Yep. That's very good explanation.
All right, guys. So,
Tanuj
that's
bhai,
the thing.
thank you very much. And I think
That's
we will digest this and hopefully catch up
yes.
again.
Yeah, sure. Just good luck, guys. Hopefully, this info will help you guys.
Didi bhai, thank you very much.
Yep.
All right, thank you,
Thank you
guys.
very much.
Thank you, Didi Bhaiya. We'll do this like maybe every bi-weekly.
Yeah, we will. If any questions, just send it. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Sure,
Yep.
sure.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Didi Bhaiya.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Really valuable.
Thank you, everyone.